Have you ever wondered if you can use electrical tape as an outer tire? No? Then you are watching the right video. I wonder about a lot, so I can share this wondering with you guys. The more honest story is that my outer was gone and I didn't have another one. Let's see if the electrical tape solution can get you where you want to go. As you can see, we first tried using a single strap of tape between each set of spokes. This obviously resulted in a very bulgy inner tire. Now this is an interesting thing to see. Let's give it a try. I am not very hopeful, to be completely honest with you guys. So much bounce. Okay, so I decided this wasn't going to work. We needed to use more tape. And by more, I mean a lot more. Dozens of rolls more. Well, crap. That was a blown inner tube. Maybe we could fix it by just adding a lot of layers? Turned out we couldn't. We needed to get rid of this inner and take a new one. Of course, to then wrap it in more tape. Attempt number 2. This time we chose a balanced color scheme of bright yellow and some ocean blue spots. We gave it some air and did some quick repairs on deforming areas. But after all of that, it seemed like we were actually ready to give it a first try. The indoor tests were very promising, so we took it to the mean streets. This actually went surprisingly well too. We tested it quite thoroughly, on a good speed, and nothing seemed to be going wrong. That's where we decided to take it up a notch and start skidding the thing. Obviously, this took its toll, and locally the inner actually became the outer tire. The thing started resembling a warthog more and more. It was inevitable that at some point the thing would simply pop. But you know what? This tape solution would definitely bring you home. Well, if you happen to carry 26 rolls of electrical tape with you, that is. I can only say that our hoodie man always does that, so for some people this is really an option. Okay, that's it for the most random video on this channel so far. Leave a like if you enjoyed what you saw, and if you would subscribe, you would make our day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.